Ustad, there's a couple of days left until the last 10 nights of Ramadan. What should I do inside of them, and what can I do to prepare?
Adrod, as you know, these last 10 nights, it's coming to the end of the blessed month, okay? And this month is not like every other month. So even if we look at the sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his way, he himself in these last 10 nights would exert himself more than any other time. Alright, so there's a couple of things that he used to do. Number one was i'tikaf. Okay, so i'tikaf is an action of ibadah, which means staying in the masjid for the purpose of obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. So only engaging in recitation of Quran, voluntary salawat, dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, reading Quran, contemplating Quran, and not busying yourself in anything which is going to waste your time, futile speech. So there's that aspect. Okay, so to prepare yourself for i'tikaf. Okay, maybe you can't make i'tikaf for the last 10 nights, but if you make your intention every time you go into the masjid for i'tikaf, then you're in a state of i'tikaf, so you can do that anyway. So the point is, these last 10 nights are special, and they're special because the month is special anyway, but also in them is Laylatul Qadr, which is one night which is like 1,000 months, right? So you have to look at the sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and follow his example. Okay, the point is that it shows the time is ending, right? The last 10 nights, it's called the last 10 nights. So it shows that this month, which began, for example, which is only 29 or 30 days, is coming to an end. So it's like a person when he's towards the end of his life. He tries to fulfill all the things he's able to do. He doesn't waste time. These last 10 nights, the most important thing is not to waste time. Not to waste time in them, because once they're over, you don't know what's going to happen, if you're going to be able to live to the following Ramadan or not. So make the most of the time, and by doing that, you're going to be being consistent in the dhikr of Allah, in qira'at al-Quran, tilawat al-Quran, reciting Quran, establishing the salah, and these actions of ibadah especially. So make the intention to make the most of the time. That's, I guess, the best thing you can do before the 10 nights. And in the 10 nights, make sure you strive hard to not miss any salat in congregation, and so on and so forth. Now.
Okay, Jazakallah khair, Ustad.
Barakallahu feekum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.